What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. Coming in at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. Case break of the Crown Royal football for you tonight. But first, a bad break drawing for Wednesday night's case break. Giving away a $50 promo code. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Ted. And now we'll get the roster for tonight's break. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll paste the results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. And here is the roster for tonight. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Malcolm Brown. Insert Drew Brees, Eric Tomlinson, Kings Court for the Falcons, and first hit going to the Eagles. Nelson Aguilar, rookie patch. 55 out of 199. Eagles going to Jason. Zach Zenner. Brandon Marshall. Joe Flacco. No number. Spacer. Tom Brady. And a rookie auto for the Vikings, Trey Waynes. 66 out of 149. Going to Ben. Curtis Drummond. Martavis Bryant. Doug Martin. Arian Foster. Heirs to the throne, rookie patch, Shamir Abdullah. Lions going to Henry. 70 out of 199. Blake Bortles. Deshaun Jackson. Dez Bryant. Spacer. T.Y. Hilton. And a rookie auto for the Bills, Desmond Lewis, gold parallel. 13 out of 49. Going to Jason. Dorian Grant, T.Y. Hilton, Ryan Mallett, Rashad Perriman, Rookie patch for the Dolphins, Devontae Parker. 176 out of 499. Going to Ted. Jeremy Davis. Emmanuel Sanders. Kings Court for the Panthers. Spacer, Kings Court for the Ravens. And a rookie purple parallel autograph for the Steelers, Sammy Coates. 22 out of 25. Going to Dave. Duran Carter. Oops. Eli Manning, Jamal Charles. Tony Romo. And a rookie batch for the Titans, Marcus Mariota. 70 out of 499. Going to Tad. Cam Newton, gold parallel. 27 out of 99. Going to Donald. Jason Witten. Melvin Gordon, rookie. Spacer, Drew Brees. And a rookie auto for the Redskins, Trey Williams. Redskins going to Tad. 180 out of 299. Curtis Drummond, Joe Flacco, Nelson Aguilar, rookie, Nelson Aguilar, rookie, on card rookie auto silhouettes patch for the Falcons, Justin Hardy, 187 out of 299. Falcons going to Tad. Jordan Matthews, Kelvin Benjamin, Tom Brady, green parallel, Russell Wilson, and a Shaq Thompson rookie gold parallel autograph. 91 out of 99. Going to Donald. Zach Zenner, Darrelle Revis, Shaquem Phillips, Spacer, Tony Romo. Very nice for the Bears, a Walter Payton game use patch. Congratulations, Jaime. 92 out of 134. Duran Grant, LeGarrette Blount, Dez Bryant, Kings Court for the Steelers. Rookie patch for the Jets, Bryce Petty. 48 out of 199. Going to Tad. Jordan Reed, LaShawn McCoy, Bryce Petty, rookie, AJ Green, Ben Koyak, rookie auto for the Jags, 82 out of 99, going to Robert R. Sinquez Golson, Jeremy Maclin, Dramarius Smith, Spacer, Jameis Winston, rookie, and a rookie patch for the Seahawks, Tyler Lockett, 87 out of 499. Going to James B. Jackson Shipley. Charles Woodson. C.J. Anderson. Kings Court for the Saints. And a 900-point redemption. We'll save that for the end. We'll do a drawing. It's one of the bigger ones. Frank Clark. Devontae Freeman. Jordan Matthews. Phillip Rivers. Alshon Jeffrey. Kings of the Round Table patch. 183 out of 299. Going to Jaime. Delaney Walker, gold parallel, 43 out of 99. Going to Tad. Andy Dalton. AJ Green. Spacer. David Cobb. Rookie purple parallel autograph for the Colts, Josh Robinson. 23 out of 25. Going to Jason. Dominique Brown. Jordy Nelson. Raheem Wilson, gold parallel, 82 out of 99. Kings Court for the Cowboys. And our Randy White game used patch. Going to Sean, 12 out of 199. Carl Davies. Matthew Stafford. Eric Decker. Spacer. Carson Palmer. And a Brashad Perriman, rookie auto gold parallel, silhouettes patch. Ravens going to Randy, 38 out of 49. Char Kendrick West, Odell Beckham Jr., Frank Gore, Clay Matthews. Dual patch for the Chargers, Brandon Oliver, Melvin Gordon. Going to Sean, 44 out of 99. Jake Ryan, Steve Smith, Russell Wilson, Larry Fitzgerald. Dual patch, it'll go to the Lions, Amir Abdullah, David Johnson. Going to Henry, 24 out of 99. Sunquez Golson, Andrew Luck. On card, a rookie auto patch for the Dolphins, Devontae Parker. Going to Tad, 270 out of 299. Golden Tate. And a Chris Conley, rookie patch for the Chiefs, 340 out of 499. Going to Jonathan. Jarvis Landry, Jay Cutler. Kings Court for the Giants, Spacer, Tyler Lockett. And another 400 points. Jackson Shipley, Jimmy Graham, and a 101 printing plate. Going to the Patriots, rookie Chris Harper. Patriots going to Tad. Congratulations. Kings Court for the Dolphins. And a rookie patch for the Ravens, Buck Allen. 295 out of 499. Going to Randy. Senquez Golson, LeGarrette Blunt, Eric Tomlinson, Victor Cruz, Ryan Tannehill, Knights of the Round Table patch, 249 out of 299. Going to Ted. Jackson Shipley, Le'Veon Bell, Kings Court for the Chargers, Spacer, J.J. Watt, and a Trey Waynes rookie auto, 187 out of 199. Going to Ben. Frank Clark, Isaiah Crowell, Aaron Rodgers, Sammy Coates, rookie patch for the Raiders, Amari Cooper, 95 out of 199. Going to Tad. Des Bryant, gold parallel to 99. Going to Sean. Arian Foster, Devontae Parker, Spacer, Kings Court for the Bucks, and a rookie auto for the Colts, DeJuan Smith, 63 out of 299. Going to Jason. Dominique Brown, AJ Green, Trevor Siemian, numbered to 5 out of 5. Going to Ted. Joe Hayden, rookie patch for the Eagles, Nelson Aguilar, 52 out of 499. Going to Jason. Carl Davis, Colin Kaepernick, Kings Court for the Bears, Kevin White, rookie auto for the Niners, Mike Davis, 54 out of 199. Going to Ben. Kendrick West, Dominican Sue, Julio Jones, Kings Court for the Seahawks, and a Todd Gurley rookie patch, 194 out of 199. Going to Henry. DeMarco Murray, Michael Crabtree, Antonio Brown, Spacer, Aaron Rodgers, rookie auto for the Titans, Trey McBride, 6 out of 299. Going to Tad. Nick Boyle, DeAndre Hopkins, Matt Forte, Spacer, Tony Romo, rookie patch for the Vikings, Stephon Diggs, 496 out of 499. Going to Ben. Terrell Watson, Carson Palmer, Colin Kaepernick, Nelson Aguilar, and another Brashad Perriman, rookie auto patch for you, Randy, 187 out of 299. Halua Kakawa, Mark Ingram, Jared Cook, Kings Court for the Steelers, and a Jamison Crowder rookie patch. 347 out of 499. Redskins going to Tad. Philip Rivers gold parallel to 99. Going to Sean. Sammy Watkins, Arian Foster blue parallel. I don't think any of those have numbers. Russell Wilson. And Austin Hill, a rookie auto. 4 out of 299. Going to Tad. Odell Beckham Jr., Alfred Morris, Drew Brees, Peyton Manning, rookie auto for the Cowboys, Antoine Goodley, 279 out of 299. Going to Sean. Malcolm Brown, Kendall Wright, Jeff Swaim, Spacer, J.J. Watt, and another Walter Payton patch for you, Jaime. 68 out of 108. Zach Zenner, Antonio Brown, Bears Kings Court, DeMarco Murray, and a redemption. Rookie silhouette signatures going to Bears running back Jeremy Langford. So another one for you, Jaime. Curtis Drummond, Tavon Austin, Patrick Peterson, TJ Yeldon, rookie patch for the Jets, Devin Smith, 21 out of 199. Going to Tad. Quentin Rollins, Jarvis Landry, Adrian Peterson, Tony Romo, rookie jumbo patch for the Bears, Kevin White. Going to Jaime, 99 out of 99. Chris Ivory, Tyrod Taylor, Andrew Luck, Spacer, Nelson Aguilar, Byron Jones, or rookie auto, 95 out of 99. Going to Sean. Kevin Johnson, Tom Brady, Demarius Thomas, Kings Court for the Steelers, and a TJ Yeldon rookie patch. 387 out of 499. Going to Robert R. James O'Shaughnessy, Darrelle Revis, Kelvin Benjamin, Peyton Manning, and a Melvin Gordon on card, a rookie auto patch. Going to Sean, 260 out of 299. Josh McCown, Kelvin Benjamin, Tom Brady, Spacer, Victor Cruz, Rookie auto for the Steelers, Bud Dupree. 166 out of 199. Going to Dave. Jared Hayne. Darrelle Revis. Jamarius Smith. 34 out of 99. Going to Sean. J.J. Watt. And an Antonio Brown game used pitch. 44 out of 199. Steelers going to Dave. Kyle Emanuel. Joe Flacco. Joe Hayden. Sammy Coates. Rookie auto for the Bills, Desmond Lewis. 127 out of 299. Going to Jason. Jake Ryan. Des Bryant. On card, a rookie auto pitch for the Packers, Brett Hundley. Going to Henry. 90 out of 299. Kings Court for the Bucks. And we'll finish with a Leonard Williams and Nelson Aguilar dual pitch. Jets going to Ted. 44 out of 99. And now we'll do the drawing for the 900 and 400 reward points. Everyone who bought in tonight will get an entry in the drawing. We'll randomize it 5 times, and the first name will take home the 900 points. The second name will take home the 400. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and Ted. Looks like you're taking home both of them. And that will do it for tonight's breaks. We're back at it Monday night with a 2-box of baseball break. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you Monday night.